In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an image from Google Chrome. This is a really simple skill, but it's also something you'll use all the time. Whether you're saving a picture for a project, a presentation, or just something you want to keep for inspiration later. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own computer. First, open Google Chrome on your device. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac OS, or a Chromebook. The basic process is the same. Once Chrome is open, go to the website or search page that has the image you want to download. You might use a search engine, navigate to your favorite website, or open a specific page you've bookmarked earlier. When you see the image you want to save, make sure it's fully loaded on the page. You may want to click on the image to open a larger version if one is available. A larger image will usually give you better quality when you save it. Now, take your mouse or trackpad and move the cursor over the image. To bring up the options menu, you're going to use a right click. On a mouse, that's the right button. On a trackpad, you may need to tap with 2 fingers or hold down a special key while you click, depending on your settings. If you're using a touchscreen, you can usually press and hold on the image until the menu appears. When the menu pops up, look for the option that says Save Image As and select it. This tells Chrome you want to download that specific picture to your device. A window will open asking where you want to save the file. Here, you can choose a folder, such as your Downloads folder, Desktop, or a custom folder you use to keep images organized. You'll also see the file name and the file type, like JPG or PNG. If you want, you can rename the file to something more descriptive, which will make it easier to find later. Once you've chosen the location and name, click the Save button. Chrome will download the image, and it will be stored in the folder you selected. To double-check, open that folder and look for the file you just saved. You can now open it, insert it into documents or slides, or keep it stored for future use. And that's all there is to downloading an image from Google Chrome.